Hello everybody, this is a short video about a quiet revolution in the garden hose system. I call it a revolution, maybe it's exaggerated, but it's definitely a big improvement. So the old system, when we try to connect two garden hoses, this is the fitting you use. So one is a male, the other one is a female. And so this would be a male. So the male is usually connecting to all the appliances. Like the sprinkler, you are supposed to connect it directly to there. And the water guns also, they come as a female. So you would screw it in. Similarly, this is an older style water gun. And the disadvantage of this is that every time you connect or disconnect, you need to screw and unscrew. The problem is that once you unscrew, like you replace a gun with the water sprinkler, the O-ring might fall off. And here on this water sprinkler, there is an O-ring. There's also a little metal mesh to filter any debris in the water. This one easily fell off when you do this. So now more recently, because this is the worst part of the old system. So this part is made of aluminum. We know that aluminum also rusts. So this is like rusted aluminum. When they rust, they make the surface uneven. So when the surface is uneven, even with the rubber O-ring, it still leaks. So every year I would throw away a few of this, which is very annoying. So this is the only one that still does not leak. So now the new system, when I try to buy new water guns, I found that they all came like this now. Like for example, this is, okay, particularly if you buy these water guns from Temu. So like this gun also comes with this system. So at first I was puzzled, how would I use this? Otherwise you can unscrew this and you can still use the old system. But now I realized that the new system is much better. So the new system, it is very similar to the system when you have this high pressure, the air gun system. So it is a quick connect and quick release. So you just push it in. Sorry, I'm only using one hand. So I think you have to press it back and put it in. So now it's connected. It doesn't leak. And it's very quick to connect and disconnect. So let me try to disconnect it. It's very similar to the air gun disconnect. Sorry about that. So that's it. So now what you need to buy is this. And the only system they sell is the female that connects to the male of this old system. And this one is the male that goes into the female of the old system. Like this water gun, I would need to screw this in. So you can see that once it's screwed in, it's like that. So if you want to replace between this water sprinkler and this water gun, you just need to do the quick connect. So here, so you just connect it. So that's it. So quick. And then you disconnect by pulling this back and this disconnected. And then you replace with the water gun. So I'm sorry about the quality of the video. I'm not very good and my fingers appear, but it's okay. So now the only quick connect you can buy, it still goes with the old system. So it basically, this part, the female part is linked to the female of the old system, and the male part is also connected to the male connector with the old system. What I wish they do in the future is to skip this old system. So they make the male of the new system with this connection that goes directly into the pipe, and then they make the female, this female, also like here, that goes directly to the water pipe. So that would be, you would save, so you wouldn't need this old system and you can go directly to the new system. But so far, I have not seen any such product on sale. But one day they'll realize they can make this new quick connect directly using this directly connected to the pipe with skipping these old connectors. Thank you for your attention. I hope that helped you. I really like this new system. I think this I would throw away much less of the water guns in the future, because you don't have to screw and unscrew. You just leave these fittings inside these water guns. I don't think they will easily leak. And also all this aluminum part, once you screwed in once, I don't think you have to unscrew it in the future. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.